everyone, today let me share with you one of the best chicken dish, Tikka Masala Chicken. 3 chicken breasts, around 700 grams. This dish is super creamy and it's so good to eat with rice or naan. 6 cloves of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of minced ginger. Let's marinate the chicken. 150 grams of yogurt, the minced garlic and ginger, 1 lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of cumin, 2 teaspoons of tikka masala, 2 teaspoons of paprika. Mix well. We marinate for 1 hour. One hour later, cook inside the oven at 180 degrees for 15 minutes. 3 tablespoons of oil. Stir fry 1 large finely chopped onion, 1 tablespoon of minced ginger, 8 cloves of minced garlic. Two teaspoons of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 2 teaspoons of cumin, 2 teaspoons of masala. Mix well and cook for 2 minutes. $700 grams of tomato sauce, 300 ml of hot water, 250 ml of milk cream, Now our sauce is ready and the chicken cooked inside the oven is also good. Put the chicken inside the pan and mix well. Let's enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you next time.